I'm Montea Idler, and I'm a first-year OTA student at NDSCS. I chose OTA because I like seeing people get better over their lifespan and over long period of time and recover from their accidents or just help them with their daily lives. Because of the small class sizes and the one-on-one and the hands-on experience is what I do also really like. This program offers a lot of community involvement, so we have people come from the community and we do range of motion with them or hands-on labs, which I really enjoy. Fieldwork basically is a hands-on experience. You go for 8 weeks and you are basically an OTA or under an OT or OTA to eventually gain skills so you can become one, which our professors line up for us. That's great hands-on experience that we do. NDSCS has a lot of events on campus for students to go to and to get involved. So my advice to anyone that's thinking about coming here is remember that there's things for students to do and to be involved and to make friends and make those connections that will last you a lifetime. The perfect fit for the program is someone who is compassionate, caring, wants to be involved, wants to sit at the table, and wants to make a difference.